Welcome back, guys, to another Dodge video. In today's video we're gonna be pulling all the parts out. We did buy everything we need. I'll show you guys everything we got, but for now we're just gonna go ahead and start pulling the grill out, the bumper, and we'll go from there. Right, so I got the grill out, I took the headlights out and all the little plastics over here so I can get to the bolts. Next step is the bumper. My brother is pulling the bumper out, and meantime I'll show you guys the parts that we got. Basically we got the door, matching color. It has a little bit of dent over here in the corner, but that's fixable. We're still gonna paint it. But the door with 2 airbags, that was $500. That's really cheap, 2 airbags on the door. Now the wheels, believe me or not, we got them for $350. The tires are about 80%. They're really good. The size, they're 25 by 12 and a half and 18-inch wheels. And the wheels actually are really good. There's no scratches, no dents. For $350, that's, try to beat that. I mean, they're pretty nice. $140 for the fender, again matching color. The bumper was free. We got some fender flares. There's the airbags. We got some nice headlights. They're dark inside. We got a new grill. I'll pull it out and show you guys the grill. We have the oil pan. We're gonna go ahead and put a new oil pan because that one is bent. That's the leveling kit. We're gonna go 3 inches. And there's the grill. The grill kind of matches the wheels with black and chrome. I think it's gonna look good when it's done. On this truck, we're trying to keep a low budget. That's why we're going with used fender, used door, and used wheels. But we're still gonna make it look nice. We're gonna throw a vinyl wrap. We're gonna vinyl wrap the whole truck. Little lift, well, level kit, 3 inches. And of course, we're gonna change the shocks and everything, put a bigger wheels. But yeah, we're trying to keep really low budget and still make it look nice. Right, so we just pulled the door out. Now you can see the damage a little better. Well, if you look over here, this is pushed a little bit in. That's why the door is kind of open on top. But yeah, that and then all this part over here which that's an easy fix. We'll get into that, fix that, bundle paint, and drive. That's the bed. We got it for $300. The damage is right there, but we don't care about this side. All we need is the panel from the other side. We're gonna go ahead and drill her out and install on the original bed. And usually I would take this to a shop for them to get it done, but this time we're gonna do everything ourselves. So like I mentioned before, we're trying to stay on a low budget on this build. And I have a brother. Well, you guys gonna hear that a lot from me. My little brother this, my little brother that. I have 7 brothers and they're all trying to help. But one of them, he welds, so he drilled out the good panel out of the bed that we bought it, and he actually welded onto the original bed. This is the side that we swapped the panel, and it turned out to look good. We're still gonna come back and bundle everything, spray paint. We're gonna paint ourselves. We're not gonna take this truck to a paint booth. It's time to learn how to do everything by ourselves. I do have the plastic. It's right there. It's in good condition. So this is how it looks. It's perfect. When it's all painted, vinyl wrapped, it's gonna look like new. You'll never tell. But yeah, good thing the damage wasn't too hard. It just bent the panel. It didn't get to the frame. So that was an easy fix. Right, so we finally got the white body on the Mustang, and probably most of you forgot that we're building one. Let me show you guys the box. Alright. That looks like fenders. Probably the rear. Oh my gosh, dude, this thing is gonna be hecka fat. What if we do like 2 wheels instead of one fat? Maybe put 2 wheels. Yeah, for now I'm just gonna open everything and see if we got every little piece, and then we'll unwrap it and actually put on the car, see if it fits pretty good. That looks like the second, the rear fender, or quarter panel. Must be the front lip. I don't know. We'll see. Front fender.
Spoiler?
Wait. Huh?
Spoiler?
Oh, spoiler, yeah. The trunk spoiler?
Or is that the spoiler? Or maybe that's the...
No, that was the spoiler. That's the second front fender. And that's the side skirts. Oh my god.
This thing is fat.
Yeah. And all the hardware. What do we got? Rivets or screws? I don't even know where it goes with this.
Stickers.
Alright, there's the gasket. Huh. Screws. Some nice stickers. Yep. Oh, nice. Nice. And the instruction. That explains everything. That's it. No other papers. At least it shows me that it goes for the Mustang. Great. Nice. Right, guys, so we did got the vinyl on this Jeep. Stay tuned, you don't wanna miss that. We're gonna change the whole color on this truck. As you guys saw that there is a lot of work coming. We're still not done with the Mustang. We're working on the Jeep. We just started the Dodge and we still have to finish the shop. So there's a lot of fun videos coming. That's why you guys stay tuned. You don't wanna miss none of that. Like and share our videos, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. It's Custom Auto Builds and I'll catch you guys later.